How to fix developer mode required on iPhone. So if you load an app that is not from the App Store, you will get this message here, developer mode required. So in order to fix this, first step is to open the settings application. From here, scroll down until you can see the privacy and security. Tap on that, and in here, scroll down all the way down and click on developer mode. Toggle that on and then tap on restart. Now take note that if you can't see developer mode on your settings, it just means that you haven't sideloaded an app that isn't from the App Store, so you won't be needing the developer mode. So once your device restarts, a pop-up window will show asking you to turn on developer mode and turn this on, and now you can open the app that won't open a while ago. So that is how you fix developer mode required on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.